Yo, alright, so today is April 2nd, 2025. Um alright. So I blew the account today. Man. Phew. Um I took this trade here just to blow it because it didn't make any sense to even try to even like continue trying. It blew the account in 4 seconds. These trades here were in, as far as risk wise, they were part of the plan. So, going back to how I typically trade, what I was risking 26.2, $20, $26, $20, $17, still accumulates to 50, $60. All right, so this was already down like $600, and then this one brought me down to the max loss limit as well as blowing up the account. Um, my account did refresh on the 28th of last month, unfortunately, here, and we're here. We haven't even made a week, and the next time it resets is way over here, which is one, two, three, in about 4 weeks. So, what do I do? I didn't reset it. I didn't reset it. Didn't find purpose to try to just reset it. Just didn't make sense. Every trade that I took for the last 3 days all went against me. So it's like, how do I go about that? All right. So as I was mulling it over and thinking about it, I asked ChatGPT, what should I do? How should I go about it? What action plans can I take away from all of this? Right? This is not it. Let's go here. All right. So this is going to be my daily trading checklist. Um, this one here I can actually write in. I'm going to work on reviewing stuff. I'm not really good with just following rules. Just not good at it. It really never was my forte. I kind of just go with the flow of things, and usually that works out for me. So, but we do have a game plan, and let me find it. Here it is. This is it, right? This is all it right here. All right, so I was trying to figure out what was going on. Um, well, one, it could be the position size jumped too fast. Yes. Um, this will amplify the losses and the wins, but I had just back to back consistently losing days. And I didn't have that at all last month. I had like maybe one losing day, and then back to back winners, and then one losing day because of emotions, and then you just like winners or just break even. I couldn't even break even in the actual trades, let alone break even on the actual day. Right? So I could have. This is all correct. This is probably something here, psychological pressure that I don't know about. All right, trading bigger size feels different. It does, which affects my um, the actual trading rules. So I wasn't hesitant to enter trades. I wasn't holding losers longer. I wasn't cutting winners shorter. I couldn't even get a chance to cut a loser, cut a winner shorter. I did cut the losers faster. I did that. I did do the loser. I was just like, this is not working out. I did exit those trades. Now, the only thing I would have to say is that I think my criteria for entering the trades changed. Maybe I became impatient. I think that's what it is for most of these trades. So this is what I'm probably gonna do next. I'm not gonna I'm likely not gonna trade tomorrow. I will be likely reviewing my trades. So I'll figure out how to record the screen so I could watch to see what the price does, because I do want to set up the charts as well, but I want to record the screen. So maybe I record it on my other computer, or something like that, because I'll use this computer to review what was going on. Cause I do need to review my trades. Reduce my size. I'm gonna go back to 1 MES if and when I do decide to go back to the combine. I might just wait this whole entire month. I don't think I want to trade anything live, like real money. Not yet, because something is just not working out right now. Right, so we have that, we have this, we have that. So here, this is what I was looking at. Entry timing might have shifted. You may be entering too early or reacting differently now that you're trading larger. And I think this is it right here. Compare. So I'm going to compare my 1 MES versus my 5 MES trades. Are you entering at different spots? E.g., not waiting for confirmation. I think this right here balls the last 3 days being total failures. I think it's this one right here. I think this is it. And so this is it. Market conditions not really changed. They're not really as volatile. Nothing is really like there. I mean, yeah, the market conditions are like, all over the place. But as far as like what I've been looking for, they probably feel the same. I just don't feel the same with my entries, and I feel like I'm all over the place. you know. So aside from having a scaling up thing, I probably need a scaling down because I just traded the same exact 5 micros the entire time until the account was blown in those 3 days. So my next step here, I'm going to follow that. Look for the differences in on entry timing, setups, and execution. So I'm going to look at all right, if you're getting wrecked, go back to where you were profitable, adjust and scale up slowly. Tighten entry criteria. Go back to only taking setups that previously allowed you to move stop to break even. And that was it, right? As soon as I entered, price was going, I was able to get into my break even, and I was good, right? That was it. I was like, that's what made my account grow. I was able to at least go into the break even up point 0.5 points, and then boom, right? I was able to just keep going. So this is my step. Step 1, identify why change in your entries. Compare my 1 micros versus the 5 micros from your trade journal or platform, and look at entry timing, stop placement, and reaction after entry, right? All this is going to be important. And then, did you enter too soon, skip confirmations, or place stops differently? And then review the last 10. So I'm going to review the last 10 profitable 1 micros and the last 5 micros that were losses, which is the last, I think it was like last 6 trades. I think I traded about 2 to 3 times. About that, yeah, about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Probably the last 8 trades. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So probably like 7 or 8 trades. That's gonna be that. This is my first step 1. And then step 2, scale down to regain consistency. I'm gonna go back to 1 micro. I have no problem doing that. And so the goal is to focus on only taking setups that previously worked, build confidence, and ensure price reacts the same way as before. Goal is 7 to 10 days of profitable execution, even small gains. All right, and then I work on an increase to 2 micros. Keep the risk per trade the same. So 7 to 10 days of profitable execution. Right. That's what we're gonna look for. And then keep the risk per trade the same. Don't just double the risk. Alright, so if results match 1 micro trades, continue scaling. Alright, and then my goal is to 5 to 7 days of profitable consistency before increasing further, and then move from 3 to 5 gradually. So if 2, move to 3, and then from 3, move to 5 after proving consistency. Right, and then so my max loss limit of the day was 100 when I was trading 1 micro. Right, When I'm trading 2 micros, it will be 2, 2 to 3. When I'm trading 3 micros, 3 to 4. When I'm trading 5 micros, 5 to 7, right? So I had it at 700. This is what I had it. I had adjusted it to. So your biggest loss in 3 days was 1,700, right? So um, right. Uh, that's like 2 big losing days. So right. So that should be 3 big losing days, right? And that's actually not that bad. But I was already down a little bit, like $400. So I was already like down in the toilet. So this is something that I will be sticking to. And then I need something if my max limit is hit or if I'm close to it. What do I do? Do I scale down more to 1 till I get consistency, or do I stay the same, right? That's the thing. Fine tune entries only take setups that lets you move stops to break even. That's the point. And the price instantly move against you again. Wait longer for confirmation. Yep. When I was waiting longer for my confirmations, things were just working out well. I think I was just rushing it. Every weekend, review your trade stats. I do that. If performance is too, if performance at 2 micros or 5 micros is shaky, don't scale up. And if consistency is proven, continue step-by-step increases. All right. So there goes my daily checklist. My risk management per trade. All right. Wait for confirmation. Random trades, avoid front running, let price come to you, which I've been doing. I've never really traced any trades yet. I haven't been chasing at all. Move stop to break even only if price moves to, which is what I did all the time, and I did that for the most part. This is it. So I need to actually make a clear, thorough plan as far as my entries, right? Um, Maybe just too many decisions being made, right? Going from NQ to ES to VIX, going from NQ. Maybe it's too many decisions being made. Um, it could be. It could be just a lot of decisions, and I'm just tired. It could be that. It could be that. All right. All right. So let me go over the trades, and so we can go. We can. I can end this live. I'm already 13 minutes in. All right. So my trades came early, fast, quick, and then done. Just the second day of April. Boy, I just couldn't even do it. So the end of March to the second day of April, just wrecking it. All right, 10:38. Let's move this out of the way. All right, so here goes the first trade. Right, first trade, I have NQ coming out. I have this absorption candle here, and I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Right, I had this. Actually, I did wait. This would have been my entry right here. My entry candle, stop loss above. Right, we came to the settlement price, and then VIX is at a level. Right, the VIX is at a level. Buy. So we got absorption thing, but not absorption candle. But it's still selling. We had selling out of this level, selling out of this level. NQ is front running the area. NQ is the weaker pair, right? And we're moving up. Now, here's the question. This is where I didn't look. Buying, 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 buying. I'm in a buy zone. These are not red. This was my problem. I was not paying attention to these here. Because usually when these show red and then we go back up, then it works out. We didn't have that. So my first problem is I need to make sure that 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour, or at least one of these here, are showing selling potential when we retest these levels, right? I didn't have that. So when I entered at 38, 28, right about here, right? Price is breaking out. This is not lined up. I didn't hear it say order filled, but yeah, that was lined up. So as I entered, prices went right against me, right? We never got the setup, right? I usually look here before I enter. I'm looking here, looking at the candles, right? The candles don't tell me. This tells me which way we're driving. This is my, hey, this is where we're driving, guys. We're driving north, not south. So it went against me. And then I tried again at 10:44. All right. Let's see, right about here. I tried again at 10:44. Right. These never settled yet. This is trying to settle, but it's not. We're still green, right? So let's say that we go to 10:45. I'm waiting 10:45 come through. All right, let's see how we finish. Boom, 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 boom. All right, we're at 10:45. Only one red. Green, 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 green. It's all still green, right? Only one red. This is not enough for me to enter into a short. Goes against me. Exit the trade. Like, this is dumb. Price is still buying. We don't have anything. So this here, my drivers were driving. So these two trades that are 262 and 206, those were wrecked because I am driving. The market is driving north while I'm trying to drive south. That was the problem. I'm looking at it now. I'm just like, this freaking makes sense. I wasn't looking here. It's here. Okay, now look for sells. All right. Until this change, we just look for buys. And also, I didn't have my main screen up. I think I had my group chat up, and I wasn't, because I usually just look up to see what's going on and say, okay, look for buys. Maybe I need to write something. Okay, look for buys, look for sells, right? To help me out. All right, the next trade, 11:14. Let's see if that even followed anything that helped remotely follow anything. 11:14. No. Right. Buy. One sell. Buy. 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 So 11:14. Nothing's there. Nothing is fucking there. Yes, we're breaking the trend line, but I should be looking for buys. So 11:14 at 12 seconds is where I enter. All of this is still saying buyers are running the show, and I'm looking for shorts. I did, right there goes the order field sign. So that was the main problem for this whole entire thing. Really, we're in buying zone. Look at the volume bars. The volume bars are saying we're buyers. One sell on NQ because NQ is weaker. Yeah, it looks good, right? I'm like, all right, cool, let's go. We've got an absorption. Everything looks great. Let's do it. My drivers are not really driving. Maybe they're taking a break at a pit stop, right? Still not the chance to even put it because the prices go like right about here, and I think it stops there and then just reverses. Exit the trade, right? Getting hammered. All right, so let's see when price does reverse. And around 11:26, I decided to say, let me go full port long, and it just blew the account. Probably because of what's my color size. All right, here goes sellers are stepping in, right? Let's see if sellers fully step in. Boom. Okay, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Indifference, no entries. right? Buyers are still in control. Fuck. I hate that I'm seeing these things after the fact. Buyers still in control. Oh, no. Oh, look at that. Sell. Sell. This is the first 30-minute candles, right? Okay. Okay. So that means these two candles, though it was buy and sell, sell, sell. 30-minute candles. Okay. We may look for some shorts up here. All right. Maybe we'll go back and retest. What time is it? 1:30. You know, or maybe we'll get something that we can work with. Do we get anything? We don't. Prices fucking drops. It's cool. Right? Okay. We got this. Okay. Maybe we can get a retest of that level and maybe push down price lower. Maybe. Right? We got that. Right? Sellers. You see sellers? You see how sellers stepped in? Yep. So maybe, we came down. Boom, 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 boom. This is a selling retest fall. Right? Entry. Right? A lot of things are happening. A lot of opportunities now. Right? This is a retest into that trend line. And then we break. Let's continue. All right, now we reach back to that level. All right, and then buyers want to step in, but we're still in the selling zone, so we'll probably still look for sellers. Oh, look at that, sellers, and we have buyers want to step in here. Right, maybe we'll buy now that we have buyers that push us up. Maybe we'll buy, but we're still in the selling territory. These sellers are stronger than these buyers. All right, so gotta remember that. But like I said, buyers did come in down there on the 15-minute time frame, so be cautious of that. And we're in area, so sellers are still holding on the thing, so we just gotta look for where can we find some sellers. This is an area to find sellers. Maybe we'll sell down here. It's 340, maybe. Right, but price needs to break below. Okay, price is not breaking below. Buyers are coming in. All right, so we'll get a pullback down, maybe. Oh, market's closed. Fucking wow, everything was right here. I was in the wrong spot. Damn, I messed that up. So my drivers is this. Right, buying zone, buying. Are we now buying territory, selling territory? That's pretty much it. I was relying too much on my candles and not these here. And this is what I was using for the most part all last 4 weeks. This is what I was using. So I know for today, I know what it is. That was that. I'm still gonna look back at all my other trades, but that right there, I already tell was the main. Is the first main issue. The candle worked out. I rated. That made sense. Everything made sense candle wise, but this is what I was missing. I was trying to make my sales work out in buying land, and then we did at the end of the day sell off like crazy after Trump came out and spoke. We got that. So I can put it up. Boom. All right, we got this. I think this right here is like 200 points, almost 300 points. Right, price just said tank. It hit a level that I was stalking, that I should have just waited for, and I think that everything stood up, everything worked out for that. But I was so gun ho on price, selling off so far, so many times, that I think I became so short biased that I became blind. All right, I was blind to this setup here in the morning. Zoom out. Right, we had this strong sell here, and then I just needed to look for sell opportunities. Let's see if there were, and then our buy opportunities. Let's see if there were buy opportunities at the beginning of the market. Actually, right at the beginning of the market, were there any buy opportunities? Let Let me bring back out the video. Atmospheric pressure. We do have buy right here. Yeah, we have buy right here. Boom. We have somewhat buy there. So atmospheric pressure, we have buy here. So though we're selling, we're in the buy territory, right? Where price bought up at, and then right at the open, we get all of this buying pressure come in, right? Yeah, right here we got buying pressure come in. All right, so I could have just said, hey, you know, free it, buy, 10-point stop loss. Let's see if we can monster through all of this level right here, right? That'd be stupid. But we ended up monstering to all of that level right there. Right, VIX had an absorption candle, and nothing was holding it back. But you know what? We didn't have any sells, no selling arrows, no selling RSIs. So it wasn't an all day sell off. We didn't have any selling RSIs. So things to like make note of when looking into trade and my levels. So volume bars lead the way. RSI's pre-market leads the way. And then we have trend lines and hammer candles, right? So I'm gonna make my rules, but that first rule needs to be following whatever this is, and that says we're buying. This line to the pullback says we're buying here. Right, I marked that late. Right, we're in a buy territory, buy. Right, we had absorption candle, not able to break down below. We had a lot of buying happening here. Right, if anything, I could look for sales up there, but this where price close, I thought about going short here, but it didn't make sense to me. I wanted to see price go back up here. So, and then we ended up getting, I believe, an absorption candle, and we ended up getting this here, right? And right, another candle. Well, that was weird. What is it? That, right? We had this candle right here, boom, right? And this became an absorption candle right here at the bottom. So I could have entered here, stop loss down here, and said, "Freak it, let's continue." Because I thought about entering there like that, and then price just kept going, right? Which, you know, wouldn't be something that I'd want to do because I don't buy into absorption. I wanted to sell this. Actually, I did sell that. I didn't want to. Right, but we're in buying territory. Right, we're above that selling pressure. We were above it. We got above it. We shifted. Right, so when I entered, we had already shifted. You see, we got above all that. All that became no good. So buying was still in the mix. So we're in buying territory, and we just bought up. So I wasn't following this. I was blind to this the entire time. So that was it. I think that was it for today. I don't know about the other days, but that was it for today. All right, so that's it for me for today. Be back tomorrow for my setup, and then I'll probably